students, now I'm going to start second part of question number 3. Now in the second part we have Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? So here we will have to find Lakshmi's age. Okay. Say Lakshmi is 10 years old. Okay, Lakshmi's age is 10 years. And if I tell you that Lakshmi's father is 3 times than Lakshmi's age, so what will be Lakshmi's father's age? If I tell you Lakshmi's father is 3 times Lakshmi's age, so 3 multiplied by Lakshmi's age, which I have considered as x, means 30 years, isn't it? So that means Lakshmi's father age we can find if we know Lakshmi's age. So whose age is to be considered? We will consider Lakshmi's age here, because if you multiply, if you find the 3 times of Lakshmi's age, then you will get Lakshmi's father's age. Okay, so we will consider Lakshmi's age here. And since we don't know Lakshmi's age, so we will consider as x, or we can consider any variable here. So here I have considered Lakshmi's age is 10 years, and to get Lakshmi's father's age, what we have done, we have just multiplied 3 times with Lakshmi's age to get Lakshmi's father's age. That means Lakshmi's father's age is given in terms of Lakshmi's age. So here in this place, if we consider the age, if we consider Lakshmi's age, then we can easily find Lakshmi's father's age. So whose age is to be considered? We will consider Lakshmi's age at first, okay? So let us consider Lakshmi's age be x years. Now see, Lakshmi's father is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So at first we will find that if he is older than 3 times Lakshmi's age, what is Lakshmi's father's age? So Lakshmi's father's age is 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now Lakshmi's age we have considered as x. 3 times means 3 is multiplied by x, times means multiplication. So 3 times x. X is whose age? Lakshmi's age. Okay, so to get Lakshmi's father age, we need to multiply by 3 to Lakshmi's age. Okay, now it is said that 4 years older means 4 years more than this. So what will be 3x plus 4? Now whose age is this? It's Lakshmi's father's age, and Lakshmi's father's age is given, which is 49. So according to the question, 3x plus 4 will be equal to 49, because this is Lakshmi's father's age and Lakshmi's father's age is given, which is 49. So 3x plus 4 will be equal to 49. Now we will find the value of x to get Lakshmi's age. Okay, so at first 3x will remain same on the left hand side and 49 will remain same on the right hand side. We'll just transpose 4 to the right hand side. So plus 4 will be minus 4. So 3x is equals to 49 minus 4 is 45. So what will be the value of x? 3 is multiplied by x. So to get the value of x, we need to divide. 45 will be divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 15s are 45. So the value of x is 15, and x we have considered before, which is Lakshmi's age. So we'll write Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have people of Sundarban planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees and some of the trees were non-fruit trees. Okay. Now, the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. Means whatever the number of fruit trees are there in Sundarban, the number of fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. Like if the number of fruit trees, say 4, so non-fruit trees will be 3 times more than fruit trees. So 3 times more than fruit trees. 4 is the number of fruit trees. So 3 times more means 3 is multiplied by 4. So it's 12. So that means this number of non-fruit trees is given in terms of fruit tree. If we know the number of fruit trees, then we can easily find the number of non-fruit trees, isn't it? So which one is to be considered here? We will consider the number of fruit trees. Say the number of fruit trees be x. So what will be the non-fruit trees? In place of 4 we will put x. So it will be 3x. Isn't it? So to get the number of non-fruit trees, we need to consider number of fruit trees at first. So let's start. So let the number of fruit trees we are considering to find the non-fruit trees. Okay, number of non-fruit trees. So then so let the number of fruit trees be x. So what will be the number of non-fruit trees? So the number of non-fruit trees see how to find. At first we will find 3 times the number of fruit trees. Now number of fruit trees we have considered as x. So 3 times x. So that means 3x. Now after finding that, it is said that 2 more than means this is the number of non-fruit trees, which is 3 multiplied by x, and then it is said that 2 more means 2 should be added to 3x. So this is the number of 3x plus 2 is the number of non-fruit trees. Okay. Now it is said that what was the number of fruit trees. So we have to find the number of fruit trees. So we have and this is not given. So at first we have considered the number of fruit trees only, which is x. If the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77. Now this is the number of non-fruit trees and the number of non-fruit trees is given, which is 77. So that means according to the question, 3x plus 2 will be equal to 77. Why? Because this is the number of fruit trees and number of fruit trees is given in the question, which is 77. So 3x plus 2 will be equal to 77. So here if we'll solve the value of x to get the number of fruit trees. So at first 3x will remain same on the left hand side and 77 will remain same on the right hand side. Just we'll transpose 2 on the right hand side. So plus 2 will be minus 2. So 3x is equals to 77 minus 2 is 75. So 3x means 3 is multiplied by x. So what will be the value of x? It's 75 divided by 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So the value of x is 25. Now x is which one? X is the number of fruit trees which I have considered. So we'll write the number of fruit trees are, because we need to find number of fruit trees. Here question was what was the number of fruit trees. So we need to find the number of fruit trees, and which we have got. So the number of fruit trees are 25. Okay. So this was question number 3. Thank you, students.